You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is n greater than -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 21 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Divide both sides by -56. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Simplify the fraction. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is n greater than -1.